life so great, life so great. I could have never complain, give thanks and praise. Life so great, I could have never complain. My life so great, life so great. I could have never complain, give thanks and praise. Life so great, I could have never complain, no.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Yapah here. What's going on? So today I feel okay. I feel pretty good today. I'm just a little warm, but it probably doesn't help that I'm drinking hot water. It's not hot, it's warm. Warm water with some lemon, just to get some more water in me, and then I have my coconut water. I call it cocoa water for the babies, because the girl can't say coconut water yet, so she says cocoa. So baby, give me cocoa water. So she'll give me a cocoa water. But anyway, I got my cocoa water, and I was thinking I want to kind of just finish the order and get it out of the way, and then at the same time, today's Friday, so I'm like, I only have a little bit left to do with this, with scaling or grading this pattern. I showed you guys the dress, the Hollie dress. So I finished this portion, the dress portion, so I just need to work on the sleeve. Excuse me. I just need to work on the sleeve, and yeah, I just need to work on the sleeve, and then I'll be straight, because I'm not adjusting the pocket. The pocket's just gonna stay the same. It's pretty big, but I think I may make a smaller version for like the size small, because it's huge. It's a huge pocket, but like you put everything in here. Like, not everything, I wouldn't do that, but put your phone in there, you can put stuff in there, so it's good to have nice big pockets, and they're fashionable pockets. So I may make it like to where I have the allowance on here. I'll probably cut that off and have that the size of the pocket for the small, or not. So I don't know yet. It's figuring that part out. But if I do decide to do that and I change my mind and I want to make it to a small pocket, then I'll just do it when it's time to make small pieces, the smalls. So right now I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna work on the sleeve because the dress is pretty much done. I say done or done. And yeah, hopefully I'll have some time left over, and then I can just continue working on this skirt so I can get that out of here and sent to the customer. So yeah, the other, I don't know why I'm trying to put this away. I need this. The other customer received their item already. I told you guys. So I'm happy about that. So that's check. And yeah, I'm gonna just get started. So I'll see you guys in a bit. My life's so great, I could never complain.
Let's go. You are my help in stormy weather. My shade under the tree. You make the gloomy days better. Your word instructing me. Give me wisdom that sits by your throne. Send me patience as I continue to grow. You send the rain and you send the snow. Seasons change so we can grow. You make the dark days brighter. Your light casts the dark away. The old me shatters, but your spirit still remains. You are the great I am, the one love and righteousness. You are...
Hey y'all, how's it going? So I finished the sleeve of the dress. So now I'm just gonna since I have a nice amount of time left, I'm just gonna go back to the skirt, do that, finish that, try to finish that within 30 minutes. Not sure if I can get it done in 30 minutes, but we'll see. And then, yeah, I'm excited. I was kind of struggling a little bit because I wasn't sure if I wanted to just pattern it with the sleeve attached already. I have it one big piece. I saw the difference in the two, and I'm like, I kind of like the two pieces. The one piece would save time, but the two pieces look more professional. As you can see on this one, oh, I unfolded it. I See this one? This is a two-piece, but you can barely tell because I have it underneath here. See, it looks more professional to me. If anything, I would just have to tack this side down as well so that the fold doesn't really show much at all. And then this is the first one, I think. Yeah, this is the first one I had ever done. And this one, it's a different fabric too. The other one's thicker. The other fabric's thicker. This one's softer. It's cotton. And there's no fold there at all. I don't know. I kind of feel like the other one looks more professionally done to me. And then, so yeah. This is my first sample ever done. I couldn't find any more of this fabric, so I had to figure out what else I can make this out of in the meantime until I am able to find this fabric. And I found the crepe fabric. I tried it out in the crepe, and it works out beautifully. And it looks beautiful, and it's pretty, and it's, you know, it has a stiffness to it, but it's still flowy. So, flowy-ish. It's not super flowy. It has a bit of flow to it because it's a thicker material. And yeah, so I kind of like this look better. It kind of feels more professional to me, so I just went with that. I just did the two separate pieces. So yeah, I'm about to clean this table up, kind of like refresh, start anew, and then put the skirt pattern back on the table and figure out what I'm doing. Not figure out what I'm doing, but do what I need to do. All right. Okay. See you guys in a bit.
You are the song that I sing. You give me everything I need. You tell the demons scatter, no more bothering me. And you send me scriptures to come and come.
Hey everybody, so I is done for today, okay?
So I did my sleeve. I did the sleeve. I did the pattern, pretty much the rest of the pattern for the customer skirt. I just have to cut out the back pattern for her skirt. I can do that next week. The hard part was making the pattern part for the ruffles at the bottom. So I did that. I straightened up, got my table, you know, got my work on the table nice and neat, out of the reach of the children. Most important part. And yeah, I'm gonna go. I have to tinkle really bad. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, just watching me work and get things together. Please let me know what else it is that you would like to see. If you would like more angles of me doing things, I don't know, just let me know, please, so that way I can try my best to accommodate and to do them for you, my valued watchers. I really appreciate you. So yes, I'm going to go. I need to use the bathroom. I need to tinkle. I've kind of been holding it for a little while. And then I'm going to put them to bed for nap time, and I'm going to eat. I'm hungry. I'm ready to eat. Baby is ready to eat though. So yeah, I'm gonna go. Hope you guys like this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what else it is that you would like to see. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great weekend, and stay modest, y'all. That's all I got. All right, bye guys.
And if you didn't know,